If you ever wonder what kind of ham you are, spend some time playing with a regenerative receiver. It'll pretty much tell you everything you need to know. If tweaking this stuff puts a smile on your face, you're probably a builder experimenter. If this makes you want to throw things, you're probably an appliance operator. For me, finding things on the regen is just a blast. This thing is a lot of fun. I think I have a CW transmitter only, that this would pair really nicely with. 7.3.